Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Chase Mobile app crashing on startup. If Chase Mobile crashes on the second you open it, don't reinstall it yet. Try this. If you're on Android, head over to your settings app and then go to apps and then search for Chase and then go to storage, then clear your cache. Now for iPhone, open your settings app and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down, look for Chase app and then offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Then head over to your app store, search for Chase Mobile Bank and Invest, and then update the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it to the latest version. Then restart your device. If still crashes, then reinstall your app. Your banking data is stored on Chase, not your phone. Tip: turn off battery savers. They sometimes kill Chase background processes, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.